Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering documents: PAN, Aadhaar, bank details, and a canceled check. Once ready, download the Meesho seller app and choose Start Selling. Verify your mobile with OTP. Next, enter your business name and pickup address clearly so logistics work smoothly. Make sure to select GST status correctly. If you have GST, enter it now. If not, you can register later. This gets you past the initial gate and into product onboarding fast. Once done with registration, you add products. Start with a small batch, 1 to 10 SKU to test demand. Use high-quality images, clear titles, and accurate MRP and selling price so conversions improve. Describe features in short bullets and pick correct weight, size, and colors. This reduces returns. Then configure shipping templates and your return policy and set a realistic margin so orders are profitable. Make sure listings follow Meesho. You complete the process by actively managing orders. Confirm quickly, pack per Meesho guidelines, and schedule pickups to keep ratings high. Monitor payouts and reconcile them against orders weekly so cash flow stays clear. Respond to buyer messages within 24 hours to reduce cancellations. If problems occur, like a listing rejection or delayed payout, first check category, size fields, images, and pricing. Then contact seller support with order ID and screenshots. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.